Hey everybody, how you doing? Today we're going to shift gears a little bit, throw a little love on the Firebird. It's up here in the lift. I've been wanting to put a rear sway bar on it since last year. I bought it off eBay. It's sold by D&R Camaro. I think it's an Adco bar, honestly. I've been wanting to put a sway bar on it, and the Camaro has been hogging up my lift. So now that the Camaro is at my house, waiting for some parts, I'm going to go ahead and try to throw this thing on. It shouldn't be a big deal, but follow along and we'll see. So the sway bar is mocked into place. I mean, these are kind of chintzy. They're spacers. I'll probably weld them to the axle when I'm done, just because they can move. I mean, plus, if it crushed them, the U-bolt will hold them in place. I don't know. It seemed a little shady to me. I got it centered on the axle, and then these end links, how they work is these brackets go up to the frame. You got to put it at ride height and mark the holes, and then what you do is take these square U-bolts and you slide one in the new hole and then get it through the other hole, and then you drop it through, and then you tighten it up, which is very clever. I have a feeling it's going to be a little bit of a pain in the sack, but whatever. I'm sure the holes have to be oversized and they can fit, but let's see how that goes. So I got to drop it down to ride height to mark those holes, which is always a problem on a lift like this. So what I will probably do is drop it on jack stands so the front tires touch the ground, the back axle supported, and I can crawl there on a creeper and make my marks, I guess. I made a mark with soapstone at the end of the plate and also in the bolt holes, so I can drill them without any screw-ups. Yeah, this one doesn't set on the frame quite as well as the other one. I don't know why, but that's okay. I'm sure it'll suck itself right in. So let's put it back up in the air, and I can take these end link things off, and I can drill the holes and see how hard it is to fish that square U-bolt through it. That should be really interesting. All right, the holes are drilled, the U-bolts are in. That went surprisingly easy. This one gave me a little trouble. I had to elongate the hole a little bit, but I got it in. So let's get the rest of it going. And we're done. I threw some tack welds on the edges because I didn't trust those little squared off jobbers to stay put. Threw some black paint on it to sex it up a little. I missed a spot there. Shit, let's go back to it. My light. I'll leave that in there. That's it. It took about 2.5 hours. I started around 9, and it's 11:30 right now. So it's almost time to get out of here and go have lunch with my son. So, I don't know. I mean, I'll take it for a ride and hope I'm rewarded with G-forces that'll give me a nosebleed and cause my gray matter to come out of my ear. We'll find out. So stay tuned for some feedback on that. And I hope this was helpful for anybody considering putting a sway bar in their car. This is probably a cheaper one for sure. But, you know, if you're not building a Formula One car, I mean, maybe it'll be fine. You know, my car has a 79 subframe on it with a 1 1/4 inch Trans Am sway bar. And typically on these 67 to 69 F bodies, they don't want you to put a rear sway bar on. It'll cause oversteer, I guess. But when my car has a different front end with the forward steering, so the back steering, you know, the rearward steering rather, I thought maybe I'd give it a whirl. So let's see. If it sucks, I'll take it off. But right now I'm keeping happy thoughts. So thanks for watching, and hope whatever you're working on is going super awesome. Talk to you later.